All right, we got a video here on a Landhero skid steer loader. This unit, it's got a 40-inch bucket. That's how wide the machine is. 6 feet long. It's got a gas-powered engine. Very easy to drive. And that's about it. I'll start it up and show you how it works. Any questions, you can email in and we'll answer them as soon as we can get to them. That's it. It's hot out here, and that's all I know. Come check it out. Preview day. It's going to be Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. That's it. Enjoy the bidding. Let's go.